Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 7th chapter and in exercise 7.2 we have third question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. This triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn on equal sides AC and AB. So it means we are given in triangle ABC we are given that AC is equal to AB. AC and AB are equal sides and BE and CF are altitudes. So BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. This is given. Please note this. Again I am reading. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle means two sides must be equal and we are given AC is equal to AB. In which altitude BE, we are also given that BE and CF are altitudes. Altitude means they are perpendicular to the sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. We are asked to show BE is equal to CF. To show BE is equal to CF. Now for this we are going to consider triangle AFC. Consider triangle AFC and triangle AEB. Please note here angle AFC is equal to angle AEB. Please note they are perpendicular, it means each is 90 degree. Then angle A is common to both the triangles. It means angle A is equal to angle A. So here you can say angle in AFC triangle I will say angle F or CAF. Angle CAF is equal to angle BAE. Please note it is a common angle. We are talking about same angle. CAF is this angle and BAE is also this angle. It means we are talking about common angle. So CAF is equal to BAE. So two angles are congruent. Now look at the figure. We are given that AC is equal to AB. So these two triangles AC is equal to AB. This is given to us. It means two triangles are congruent by angle and side test. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side test. But for writing angle side test, we need to write one-to-one correspondence. So please note here F corresponds to E. Then A corresponds to A. And if A corresponds to A, it means C corresponds to B. So triangle is AFC means AEB. So we have got triangle AFC. We have written second, first and third vertex this side. So this side also we need to write second, first and third vertex congruent to AEB by angle side test. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side test. It means if you keep these two triangles one above the other, their sides will exactly coincide with the corresponding sides, and angles will also coincide with the corresponding angles. So here it means side formed by second and third vertex, because we need this altitude. So CF is equal to BE. So side formed by third and second vertex must be equal to side formed by third and second vertex. It means side CF is congruent to side BE. And the reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Please note, if CF is equal to BE, it means their altitudes are equal. Therefore, BE is equal to CF. and we were asked to prove the same. Show that the altitudes are equal. Thus we can say that thus the altitudes are equal. Thus altitudes are equal. Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 7th chapter and exercise 7.2. In the fourth question is ABC is a triangle. Please pay attention. Board may not be visible. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. It is given that BE is altitude to side AC and CF is altitude to side AB, and these altitudes are equal. See, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. Please note here altitudes are equal. We have to show that triangle ABE, that is this upper triangle, is equal to triangle ACF. So this triangle. And we also have to show that AB is equal to AC, that this total side is equal to this total side, that is triangle ABC. We have to show that it is an isosceles triangle. So now for this, let us write the given things. So we are given that BE is altitude, means BE is perpendicular to, in triangle ABC, we have to write like this, in triangle ABC, BE is perpendicular to AC, then CF is perpendicular to AB, and these altitudes are equal. BE is equal to CF. This is given to us. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So to show first number, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So for this solution, consider triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Now look at only these two triangles. ABE is this triangle and ACF is this upper triangle. Please note, in this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So they must be congruent to each other because their measures are equal. It means in triangle ABE we have angle E. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Reason is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. Now, if you see both the triangles, angle ABE, that is this angle, and angle AFC, in this you will see one angle is common, that is angle A is common. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle A. Reason is common angle. Every angle is congruent to itself. Now see, we are given BE is equal to CF. So BE, this side, is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. It means, if you see this triangle ABE, its two angles are congruent to two angles of the triangle AFC. And one of the side is congruent. That is BE is equal to CF. It means the two triangles are congruent by angle side test. But to write the congruency, we need to write one-to-one correspondence. So to write one-to-one correspondence, we have to check which vertex is congruent to which vertex. So here you will notice from angle it can be written very easily. Here A corresponds to A. Then E corresponds to F. Please note, this is angle E and this is angle F. So E corresponds to F. Please now see, we have written A corresponds to A, E corresponds to F. It means inside we can say that B corresponds to C. B corresponds to C. So we will get triangle ABE, that is first, third and second, because we were asked to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to ACF. So I will, in order to write triangle ABE, we can write it like this. That is first, third and second vertex. It means from this side also first, third and second vertex. It will be triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by angle side test. So two triangles are congruent by angle side test. Second, we were asked to prove, show that AB is equal to AC. To show AB is equal to AC. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, it means their three sides coincide with the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, and three vertices of first triangle coincide with the three angles of the other triangle. So here, if you keep triangle A, B, E on ACF, that is A on A, B on C, and E on F, then they will exactly coincide. It means sides formed by first second vertex is congruent to side formed by first second vertex of the other triangle. So here we will get AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC because they are corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And the second part of the triangle is also proved. So if two sides of a triangle are congruent, we call such a triangle as isosceles triangle. So we can say that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle.